Transitioning out of the military is a significant life change event that obviously requires careful consideration of your priorities. Hi, this is Gary.rohmann, the Veterans Coach, and today's transition tip for veterans is confirm your life priorities. Too many veterans get this wrong, and they rush into new opportunities, new jobs, in many cases relocate across the country just to find out they think they got the perfect fit, but unfortunately, it is not the perfect fit because they did not consider everything that goes into this major change. You must take time to confirm your life priorities. Finding clarity in the decisions you need to make, not just for your career, but for all of your life, is critical. I do have a few suggestions. Number one, where do you want to live and where do you want to work? Both of them go hand in hand. Where you live not only impacts you, but impacts your family. And where you work really impacts you. And if you don't like what you're doing, I don't think you're going to be, you're not going to be happy in other areas of your life. So it's critical. Number two, you got to love who you work with. You've been used to that in the military. The camaraderie and having each other's back is not going to be replaced very easily. So you got to know, you got to love who you work with, and that is really based upon the company you decide to work for and their culture. Number three, you got to love what you do. This is your new career. And if you do not love what you do, again, you're going to feel that it's just not a good fit. And you're not going to be happy with your overall career. And then finally, will you be able to pay your bills and have the type of life that you would like to have financially? And so where you work is going to be critical. Are they paying you indeed what you're worth? Remember, you don't have to travel alone. I can help. Reach out. My contact information is at the end of this video, and I look forward to hearing from you.